Want to preserve your retirement capital? Let me introduce you to Jim, a 68-year-old from Scottsdale, Arizona, who rolled over exactly $473,925 of his 401k into something most retirees haven't even considered. And it changed everything for him. But before we unpack Jim's story, let's talk about why he made the move. Because the truth is, millions of Americans are waking up to the same urgent reality. This morning, the Wall Street Journal reported that the U.S. national debt just crossed $35 trillion. Inflation is still running hotter than the Fed wants to admit, and President Trump's latest remarks on interest rate manipulation sent tremors through the markets. Whether you're red, blue, or somewhere in between, the writing is on the wall. Your retirement savings are under threat. That's why Jim acted. After watching his mutual funds lose ground for 3 straight quarters, Jim, like many retirees, realized he wasn't looking for growth anymore. He needed preservation, not just for himself, but for his wife, his grandkids, the legacy he'd spent 40 years building. That's when he found out about a Gold IRA. Now let me stop here for a second, because I already know what you're thinking. Gold? That's for doomsday preppers. And hey, I used to think the same. But here's what changed my mind. And Jim's. Unlike stocks or bonds, physical gold doesn't go to zero. It's not tied to a political party or a CEO's bad earnings call. It's just value. Simple, real, transferable. In fact, Jim's decision started with the same thing I'm offering you today. A completely free Gold IRA guide, plus a short no-obligation call to see if it's a fit. No pressure, no free silver if you buy now gimmicks. Just straight up one-on-one education. And get this, after that call, Jim decided to move less than half of his 401k. Not everything, just enough to protect a chunk of his savings. Since then, while others have panicked during rate hikes and market swings, Jim's been sleeping like a baby. His gold has held its value, and in some months, increased. More importantly, he's got peace of mind. You can't put a price on that. So if you've got $100,000 or more in an IRA or 401k, this might be the smartest 15 minutes you spend all year. Again, no pressure. Just solid information to help you protect what you've earned. Because here's the truth. Nobody's going to care more about your money than you. And waiting for the market to bounce back? That's not a plan. That's a gamble. So if you're like Jim, if you're looking for capital preservation over speculation, legacy over luck, then click the link, grab your free Gold IRA guide, and book that short call. You've worked hard to build your nest egg. Let's help you protect it for yourself, your family, and the next generation.